Then the other thing I wanted to get your opinion on was obviously expectations for the year, because it's the first time we got together since the new year. What are your expectations for the mortgage market, if you want to go into the real estate market, but the mortgage market specifically with rates and all that, what are your expectations?
I follow multiple analysts, and everybody's saying that 2021 is going to be a great year for purchases. They're expecting them to be up anywhere between 10, 15%, which is awesome. I think as we come through COVID, people are going to be more apt to let people into their homes, which will help with inventory, because inventory remains to be a major issue. I mean, there's nothing out there right now. It's kind of scary. I think, don't quote me on this, but I think we're at like all-time lows for inventory. So we need more houses on the market. If you're thinking about selling in the next couple of years, now is a great time to sell. And flipping into the interest rate side, everywhere you look, you're hearing all-time lows. And it's crazy because a lot of people, I took a call today with somebody saying, I just saw that rates hit all-time lows. The media is always going to be lagging in regards to the reports, and all-time lows has become a very broad, statement right now. Since last week, when the House and Senate were getting figured out in Georgia and all the political stuff going on, we actually have seen an increase in rates. We've lost about 0.25%, maybe a little bit more in some situations over the past week. But big picture, I mean, we're still in the twos right now. Even if we go into what's forecasted, which is the low threes, it's amazing.
It's wild.
It's a great time to buy a home. I think in 2021, my thought is we're going to trade somewhere between 2.75 and 3.5 on a 30-year fixed. Some think we're going to go lower. Some people think that we might get up, into the high threes. I think we're going to remain in that sweet spot, which is a tremendous place to be for everybody involved. And if you're looking on the refinance side, if you haven't done it yet, now's the time. A lot of people are cutting their term. If it's your forever home and you want to eliminate the loan sooner than later, now's the time to do it. And also debt consolidation, home improvement. Home improvement was crazy in 2020 because of people are creating home offices and home gyms But on the flip side, the cost of materials and stuff went up as well. So it should be interesting to see how that plays out in 2021.
This is like Paula over here who's recording with us. That's like a Devo economic forecast like I've never heard before, by the way. I feel like I was just like a part of a CNBC interview or something like that. No, but I've worked with you long enough too. I mean, I hear you on the phone all the time. Rates are rates. They're, to your point, all-time lows, crazy low. Just get the deal done. You got to work with somebody to get the deal done, right?
Execution is key.
Yep.
And it's not a given in today's world. We should do another show on that.
I teed you up. Execution is key. Get the right team from all angles.